Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title of the video, I am going to be showing you all of the free PR that was sent to me so far this month. I have just a few items that I want to go over with you guys, just give you a little rundown of what I received. Personally, I love to see what influencers receive in PR. I think it's just like something that intrigues me, so I really want to stress that this video is not in any way to brag or to boast about what I received, because honestly, if I did this for the free PR, I probably would not be doing it for very long, because I don't receive a lot, but the things that I do receive I am very grateful for. Allow me to expand my knowledge and also introduce me to new brands that I might not have been able to try or haven't tried before. I'm grateful for everything that is sent to me, and I just kind of want to share with you guys so I can sort of show you what I have and talk about the products and give you an idea of my opinion on them. So let's get started. First thing I want to talk to you guys about is this overnight repair treatment from TULA. Here's what the packaging looks like on the outside, and here is what the packaging looks like on the inside. If you pop the lid off, you will see it is one of these where you pump the product out. If you push down a bit, you can see, I'm not going to do like a full pump, I don't want to waste it, but you just wipe it off of the component and there it is. This was sent to me complimentary from Octoly and TULA brand. Thank you so much for sending this to me. I should let you guys know that this does retail for $64 and you get 1.67 fluid ounces worth of product inside. I will leave the link in the description box if this is something you're interested in. It's an anti-aging treatment that leverages concentrated probiotics and natural peptides to renew the look of the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Also, it helps with if the tone of your skin is really dull, it helps to brighten and refresh the skin. It has vitamin C, Bacillus coagulans ferment, which is a natural probiotic strain. It also has Indian gentian, which is a botanical extract. It also has alpha hydroxy acids, and it has a blend of watermelon and fruit extracts. All of these ingredients help to hydrate the skin, reduce the signs of fine lines and wrinkles, also helps to fade dark spots and add brightness to your skin. It is suitable for every skin type, oily, combination, mature, and sensitive. It is alcohol, fragrance, paraben, sulfate, phthalates, mineral oil, toxin, dyes, irritant free. It has none of the items that I just mentioned. No alcohol, no fragrance, no parabens, so on and so forth. It's 100% cruelty free. It is considered by TULA a more intense anti-aging treatment. It is suitable, like I mentioned, for all skin types, but if you are looking for something that is a little bit more concentrated as far as the anti-aging properties, you would want to pick this up. I've been using it for 3 weeks now. I like to use it maybe once or twice a week just before I go to bed. I like to go back and forth between this and a few of my other sleeping masks that I have. This, I love the way my skin feels in the morning. It doesn't leave that extra like gooey, like the product kind of like pills off of your face. I feel like this absorbs so quickly and so thoroughly into the skin that you wake up and your skin just looks juicy and plump. I really love it. I think TULA is an amazing brand. The packaging maybe could feel a little bit more expensive. It's like a hard plastic, but I do love the fact that you just pump it out and it dispenses the perfect amount. Really all you need is one pump and it covers my entire face, and it's just full of such great healthy clean ingredients, and I just love it. So thank you, TULA. Here are 3 more products that I received. These are all from the brand Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare. I actually received these directly from the brand, so thank you so much to Dr. Dennis Gross for sending these to me. I did review them in a separate video, so I will leave the link for that up above. They are a face cream, serum, and an eye cream from their stress repair anti-aging line that just recently launched. So these products work so well for me. I will just leave that link like I mentioned above so you can watch this video, but thank you so much, Dr. Dennis Gross. Another item that I received from Octoly and LANEIGE. This is the LANEIGE CICA sleeping mask. I'm going to show you guys up close what the packaging looks like. Here it is. And if I open it up, here is what the treatment looks like. Just looks like a regular moisturizer. It comes with a little scooper thing just so you don't have to dip your whole finger in the tube. This mask does retail for $34 and it comes with 2 fluid ounces worth of product. In talking about this product, you're going to hear me mention the term CICA a lot. I want to just educate you guys on what CICA is. It's actually a nickname for its scientific name, which is Centella asiatica. It's also known as tiger grass. Known in Asia as what tigers rub on their wounds to help their skin regenerate. It's believed to soothe and repair irritated skin. Used widely in Korean beauty brands in their skincare. I do want to go over a few key ingredients that are in this product here. It does contain forest yeast, which is scientifically proven to be more effective than the leading CICA product ingredient, which is madecassoside. It does help to strengthen your skin's barrier against external stressors such as pollution, climate, and lifestyle. It does deliver all of its intense nourishment overnight when your skin is losing moisture. It is a hypoallergenic 9-free formula. So the hypoallergenic 9-free formula completed dermatology testing, sensitivity panel testing, and also hypoallergenic testing. You can use this 1 to 2 times per week. You apply it at night after you've used your skin creams, whatever else you would like to lay down prior to this. This sort of will help to protect everything that you've put on your face. It helps to strengthen your skin and also helps to really moisturize, deep moisturization. I've had this now for about 2 weeks. And this is something that I like to alternate with the TULA mask. I wake up, my skin feels moisturized, it feels very soft, and it appears very healthy and hydrated. It also absorbs quickly, just like the TULA mask does, and it really just helps to like soak in and extend the moisture that is being provided. Like this it just like feeds your skin. It just feels so good, and you wake up and your skin just looks so healthy and radiant. Thank you so much to LANEIGE and Octoly for sending this to me. Also, if you guys have not tried the LANEIGE, hold on. This is the LANEIGE lip sleeping mask. If you guys have not tried this yet, you have to pick this up the next time you're at Sephora. I think these cost $20. This is the best lip treatment mask you will ever try in your life, and I've tried tons of them. This one is moderately priced. You get a ton of product. I use this almost every night, and I'm still not even close to being finished with it. All you need is a small, little like pea-sized amount. You rub it on your lips, and I'm telling you, it will change the appearance and the texture of your lips entirely. Especially in the winter months when it's dry outside and it's really cold, you get those cracked lips. Use a lip exfoliant and put this on at night. I just have to put that in there because honestly, it's a product that I absolutely swear by. It was not sent to me. I paid for it with my own money, and I'm just recommending it to you guys in case you're looking for a lip mask. So last but not least, I have a package here from Influenster. This is their Ever Pure sulfate-free hair care. It's a toning. It's one of those purple brass toning shampoos and conditioners. I've not opened them yet. I will film a separate review on these just so you guys can see the results that I've had, but here they are. They are sulfate free. It is a color care system. Let's see. These are for blonde hair. If you're a blondie like me, they help to tone out all the brassiness. And I'm interested to try this. I'm a little nervous. I will let you guys know what I think. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this video. The thing is, I do tend to receive like multiple items a month, and to break them down each into their own individual video, I feel as though it makes more sense to put them all together. If you would like to see individualized product reviews that are sent to me from PR, let me know. But if you like this style, I can just start doing it once a month and just kind of show you guys what I've got and talk to you, and just break down each product all into one video. So let me know in the comments. And please, before you go, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.